Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Making summertime pickles is nothing less than a ritual in the Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra. Avakaya is mangoes pickled with salt, chili powder, mustard powder, and sesame oil. Here is a recipe from the kitchens of Telangana. Aromatic and mouth-watering ginger garlic avakaya. In a vessel, heat 250 ml of gingerly oil. It should not be fuming hot. A little hotter than warm should suffice. Add half teaspoon of hing, 1 tablespoon of jeera, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let them fry in the warm oil for half a minute. Now turn the stove off and add 250 grams of ginger garlic paste. Let it slowly cook in this warm oil. If the oil is too hot, the ginger garlic paste will burn. Now keep it aside. Take 1.5 kilograms of mango pieces. Add around 120 grams of red chili powder. One teaspoon of turmeric and 60 grams of mustard powder. And give it a mix. The salt, mustard powder and chili powder are specially available to make pickles. Do get those to retain the taste and flavor of the pickle for the entire year. Now add 120 grams of sea salt and mix it thoroughly. Now add the seasoned oil to the mango pieces after it cools down completely. And give it a thorough mix. It already looks delicious. I have transferred it into an airtight Tupperware container. Keep it aside for 3 days and give it a mix every day. By day 3, the pickle matures and the aroma will fill the entire house. I found my grandmother's vintage pickle jar in which I will be storing some of it. I freeze the rest and this helps the pickle retain the day 3 freshness for the whole year. Let me know if you like the recipe in the comments below and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends and family and tap the like button. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.